All right, here is my third card using the Poetic Expressions Suite. This card is a trifold card. Kind of reminds me of like a pocketbook. So pocketbook trifold card. I've used the Elegant Edges dies on the edge here to create this pretty edge. And then when you open it up, these are the labels from the dies, and I've stamped the flowers as like a background to create my own designer series paper. And then I've used the designer series paper inside with the other label that is in the dies, and then stamped some of the flowers and a sentiment inside. So this card is part of the last card class that I will be offering for free with a $35 purchase using my current host code. Starting May 5th, my card classes will be $35 plus $5 shipping for the 3 cards. So make sure you get your order in before the 5th if you would like to have this card class for free. So I've started with a piece of 12 by 5.5 Moody Mauve, and I've scored it at 3.5 and 7 3/4. And this shorter side is gonna be our top flap. So I've also cut a piece of the designer series paper to 5 1/4 by 3 1/4. And I'm gonna place the designer series paper on the very edge of the cardstock and center it between the 2 sides. And then I'm going to use this die from the Elegant Edges to cut those both out so they will match when I layer them. All right, so I have cut that out and you can see that those line up very nicely. So now I'm going to adhere this onto the top. Okay, that's beautiful with beautiful paper. And then I thought it would look nice to stamp some bubble bath on bubble bath and create like a nice texture for the bottom part here. So I'm just gonna stamp the bubble bath randomly all over this piece of 5 1/4 by 4 bubble bath cardstock. And now I'm going to do the same for this label piece. I'm going to stamp off though, because I want it to be a tad lighter. And now for the sentiment, I'm going to use a marker to color your day. Now I'm going to color enjoy and stamp that on top. And then you have this lovely looking sentiment ready to go. Now I'm gonna stamp some sentiments from the Season of Chic and Timeless Arrangement stamp sets. So I have wishing you the best birthday ever, one of my most favoritist sentiments ever. And then on the inside, I have 2 from the Timeless Arrangement stamp set. So from the bottom of my heart, hope your day is filled with everything good. So I'm gonna stamp from the bottom of my heart on this 5 1/4 by 4 piece of basic white. And hope your day is filled with everything good on the second largest cutout from the dies. So now I'm gonna do a little bit of inking and coloring. I'm gonna ink up in the bubble bath and then color with the Mossy Meadow and stamp all these fun flowers on some of the pieces that I have here. So now I'm going to put the inside of the card together by adding some of the Poetic Expressions Designer Series paper to this bottom piece right here. And then we have this piece here with dimensionals. So that's the inside. So now we're going to do this piece right here. And I've already stamped and colored these flowers with the bubble bath and the mossy meadow, and then I added some wild wheat for the center. So I've already die cut these so that I can just place them right on here. And that is my top flap trifold card using the Poetic Expressions Suite. This is my Poetic Expressions card kit, and this will be my last card kit that you can get for free with a $35 order using my current host code. I'm going to be changing my class structure, so the classes will be $35 plus $5 for shipping, and it will include the color tutorial. So you can go check it out on my card class page. I will also have the color PDF tutorial available for purchase, and that will be $15 to download.